made an impact in the fashion accessory world with its bracelet. It appears normal, but conceals a capsule containing an extremely foul-smelling substance. In the event of an attack, push the button and release the contents, deterring the assailant with the stench. The bracelet is priced at $74, designed for one-time use. Have you seen Peaky Blinders? The gotcha cap mimics the idea, but in a usual baseball cap. Instead of a blade, the brim conceals a unique self-defense tool, lacking sharp edges but useful for striking and blocking blows. The gotcha cap is available for $4. The creators of this knuckle duster have drawn inspiration from military history episodes. Resembling the handle of a trench knife used in World War I, these brass knuckles also include a built-in bottle opener. Compact in size, 8 by 7 centimeters, they are priced at $18. The creators of the TACTIKEY believe that safety is a state of mind. Transforming a regular key into a self-defense tool, the enhanced key is priced at $13, weighing less than a gram and not drawing much attention. A concealed whip hidden in a belt or shoulder strap is the clever part of this invention. The advanced whip, crafted from steel cable, is priced at $89, while the basic version uses nylon and is great for practicing strikes or deterring dogs. Sabre introduces an innovative pepper spray that automatically sends location coordinates to preset contacts after use. Connected to a smartphone via Bluetooth, it offers a panic button and a subscription service where data is sent to a 24-hour call center. Priced at $30, it's effective up to 3 meters and can be used up to 25 times. Strobe Defender claims to offer the world's best strobe and siren with a power bank. Priced at $39, it shines brightly with 990,000 lumens and alerts those nearby with a loud 140 dB sound. This wallet, crafted from aerospace-grade aluminum, is designed with safety in mind. It can carry up to 7 cards, a stack of cash, keys, and withstand even a 9mm caliber weapon. Comment below to share your thoughts on the video and subscribe for future updates.